In this video for the Beacon Hill Dollhouse construction, I'm going to go over foundation support. The foundation support was done after the siding was completed, but this could have been done almost any time. In my case, electrical tape wire was run under the house and the supports were installed over the tape wire, so it would be best to wait until a point that the supports would not be a hindrance to the electrical work. The addition of support for the foundation is simple, but it is worth discussing. I always felt that the foundation for the house was too weak considering the weight of the house. Most of the foundation pieces are simply glued and do not have interlocking joints. I purchased 1/2 inch square pine wood rods that can be attached flush to the underside of the house. The rods were cut to fit the length and width of the foundation, and generally the support was glued to the underside perimeter of the house to provide structural support. Smaller lengths were cut to a fraction longer than the depth of the foundation to act as feet. When the house is set upright, it will rest directly on the feet rather than the foundation edge. Thanks for watching.